Ralph Mann, Man's Outdoors. Joe Wheeler, C4. Let's take a look. We've got the kayaks out because we're planning on getting in the lake here in just a little bit. We also have a couple of paddle boards. I'm going to get those blown up. Well, I've got one of the paddle boards out. It's all flat. And you've got this hand and foot pump that you can hook up and blow this thing up. But I've got a better idea. I've got an air compressor that is a Vivair virtual air source. You just hook this up to a car battery, and it has a long cord on it that will even reach to the back of the camper to air things up. So we're going to do it that way. Well, the air compressor sure helped, but getting it to the 15 pounds recommended, I had to finish it off on my own because I didn't have a good secure airtight seal to be able to blow it up with the compressor. But we're set up, paddles there, here's your leg strap, time to go play. Time to take a dip in the water. Susan's going to take the kayak, I'm taking the paddle board, and we're headed out. There goes Susan. And I'm on the paddle board. The wind's blowing pretty good out here, so we're just drifting along. But it's a beautiful day. That sexy woman just chilling in a kayak. It's a beautiful day. I'm out here on the paddleboard. My beautiful wife is over on the shore, and it's about time to pack up. Hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
Beach day at Joe Wheeler State Park. My beautiful bride, Ralph Mann, Man's Outdoors. And until next time, God bless.